welcome to another Type with Me. This week I came across symbol valued constants via proxies. And I want to show you a little bit about that, how it works and how you can use that within node.js. So the trick is basically that we need to create a proxy, and that proxy has a get, and when we try to get something, well, we change that by just having the property key, in this case red, green, blue, which are the property keys, and we create a symbol out of it, right? So if we execute this one, we will see the following. You will see that we get a symbol because the type of red is a symbol, and then when we do string of red, we get a symbol red, right? Which is also great because that's something that we want. We want to create very fast symbols and then have them at our disposal, right? Actually, this is the same like symbol factory dot red. So we could do something like this, right? It would be the same kind of thing, right? So that's nice, I guess, that this kind of function, this kind of way really allows us to create very fast symbols. You could very easily do the same kind of thing by just creating something like this, right? So if you want to have an enum directly within JavaScript, you could apply the same kind of trick, and then you have an enum there, and so A would be just that. So it's the same like enum.a, right? But here we just do a destruction of that so that we get values A, B, C of our enum, right? So I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you can use it within your node.js applications. It's something very useful in my case when you need to create a lot of symbols and you don't want to do a symbol and then just a property key. You just create something like a new proxy where you do it like that. Again, with proxies you can do amazing things. You can see what the target is, you can see what the property key is, and you can see which the receiver is, right? And then you just create something out of it. It's just some kind of shell that you pops out across your, in this case, factory, right? So again, MDN web docs are a great resource. So if you want to know more about JavaScript proxy, well, you can go to that website. Here you see that the proxy is an object enables you to create a proxy for another object which can intercept and redefine fundamental operations for that object, right? So in that case, what we do is we created a proxy so that we could create underneath a symbol out of it, right? So I hope this was very useful. I hope you learned something from it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.